stops here. I089. So, what is bleeding anyway? So, bleeding is the blood loss or name used to describe the blood loss. So, what are the two types of wound or general types of wound? The external and internal wound. External, blood loss outside the body. Internal, blood loss inside the body. So, what is wound again? Wound is physical injury involving the break in the layer of the skin. So, inyong timan-an ani, break in the layer of the skin. Two types of wound, open wound and closed wound. So, what are the types of the open wound? These are the simple laceration, complex laceration, abrasion, contusion, punctured wound, stab wound, and gunshot wound. So, ang types of closed wound is ang hematoma. So, what is hematoma? Blood or clotted blood that forms in a tissue, organ, and organ system as a result of broken blood vessel. So, kani siya is wala ni gawas ang blood. Dito ra siya na-form sa internal sa inyong skin. So, ang example na is kung naay great impact ang accident sa isa ka tao dayon na ay blood clot sa iyang ulo or sa iyang sa ahang part sa iyang head. So, it is called hematoma. So, next is simple laceration. Is caused by clean surface cut from a sharp-edged object such as razor. So, kani siya, example, nag-ato mo sa barber, nasamad mo sa katong razor or katong naay blade. So, ang tawag is simple laceration. So, these tendons or nerves may be damaged. So, kani siya, makadamage daw kung ano siya sa inyong tendons. So, complex laceration, blunt or ripping force result in tears or laceration. So, naay ripping force, gapon ati. Example, napandol mo sa isa ka surface nga hait. So, ang mahitubuan na is naay, di ba naay pangusgamay, dahil naadayon siya open or kanang laceration ba, mura siya malaslas gamay. So, ang tawag ana is complex laceration. Abrasion or scrape. This is superficial wound in which topmost layer of the skin are scraped off. So, kani siya is usually sa mga gakadisgrasyag motor, then pangos, mo na siya ang abrasion or scrape. Next, contusion or bruise. A blunt blow can rupture capillaries beneath the skin, causing blood to leak into the tissue. Kani siya is mo ni siya ang inyuhang kaning lagom-lagom o man siya ang contusion or bruise. Extensive contusion and swelling may indicate deeper damage such as fracture or internal injury. So kana daw kuno naay galagom og naay hubag, so naa daw kunoy indication ana nga deeper damage daw siya or fractured na or naay internal injury. Next, punctured wound is an injury such as standing on nail or being pricked by a needle will result in a puncture wound. Example is kung nasamad mo sa lansang or sa needle or sa ice pick. So kani siya is ang mga pointed nga mga instruments mo nang makakos sa punctured wound. Next is a stab wound. This is a deep incision caused by a long or bladed instrument, usually a knife, penetrating the body. So, kung madunggaban mo, ang tawag ana is stab wound. Stab wounds to the trunk must always be treated as serious because of the danger of injury to vital organs and life-threatening internal bleeding. So, usually kung sa tiyan gid mo dapit na dunggaban, serious kini siya og dili dapat ninyo siya i-ignore kay makakos ni siya og life threatening. So, next is ang gunshot wound, and this type of wound is caused by a bullet or missile being driven into the body, causing internal injury as well as infection. So, kani siya is makakos daw infection ang mga bullet or missile nga nakaigo sa imuha. Usually, ana is kana mapusilan mo inana, so kana siya is critical gina siya or life-threatening. So, what is wound dressing? It is anything that use in direct contact with wound that help heal and prevent further issues or complications. So, what wound dressing can help? So, wound dressing can stop bleeding or start clotting, absorb excess blood, plasma, or other fluids, and wound debridement. So, kani siya is makatabang ni siya nga makastop sa bleeding, maka-start og clotting. Usually, kaning samad nga atong gakakuha is makatabang ang wound dressing ani para dito ra siya maulian. So what are the different type of wound dressing? So naay tulo. The cloth, foam, and transparent. So ang cloth makatabang ni siya to prevent the bleeding, ang foam para ma-absorb niya ang 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 blood, so dili na gyapon siya makala, so maintain pod siya og moisture balance. And ang transparent are used, gigamit ni siya sa doktor para mag-heal og specific wound, og kani siya is usually kaning mga bandage inana siya. So mo ni siya ang step sa pagbandage. Next, first step is dress the wound. Second, cover the bandage. Third, secure the bandage. And fourth, check circulation. So, ang first step is magbutang ka og gloves sa imong kamot daw to avoid the contact with victim's blood. Next, clean the wound with mild soap and water. So, inyong hugasan with soap and water. Next, apply small layer of topical antibiotic or kani siya is mga betadine or katong mga gina-prescribe sa doctors. Next, please place a clean dressing over the entire wound. So na ay clean, inyo siyang i-dress. Gauze dressing let in air to faster healing. Non-stick dressing have special surface that won't cling to the wound. So if a blood soaks through the dressing, place another dressing over the first one. So kung napuno na daw kuno dugo, magput na sad kag another nga dressing. So cover the bandage, wrap roller gauze or cloth strips over the dressing and around the wound several types. So kadaghanan niyo siya i-wrap. Next, extend the bandage or at least inch beyond both sides of the dressing. So, i-extend na nimo ang bandage sa both sides sa inyong dressing. Next, don't wrap the bandage so tight that it interferes the blood flow to healthy tissue. So, dili dapat ninyo siya hugton kay para dili ma-interfere ang blood flow. Next, secure the bandage, tie or tape the bandage in place. So, inyong ihikot para dili siya matanggal. Next, don't secure the bandage so tight that fingers or toes become pale or blue. So, dili dapat ninyo siya ihikot nga grabe sad gyud kay siya ka tight or grabe ka huot na malagom na gyud ang skin or mahimo na siyang lagom or mangluspad. Next, check circulation. In the area below the bandage, after several minutes, i-check ninyo ang circulation. If the circulation is poor, the skin may look pale or blue or feel cold. Naadayon sad siya tingling or numbness. So, kani siya, dapat inyong bantayan ang panit sa isa victim. Kung pale ba siya or luspad or galagom or inana. So, if circulation is reduced, loosen the bandage immediately. So, if symptoms continue, seek medical attention. So, kung nag-inato na ang isa ka patient, so dapat inyo na siyang iloosen ang iyang bandage ka nang dili sad kay nang ihugot ninyo. So, next is type wound, outer layer of the skin, closed wound. Usually bleeding or clotted blood, hematoma. Physical injury involving break of the skin. Again, skin wound. Type of wound, outer layer of the skin is broken, open wound. So, the first step of bleeding control is pangitaon nimo ang source sa bleeding. Kaya para dito ka mag-dressing or mag-prevent sa iyahang bleeding. So, that is all. Ang tapang mong manligaw nung nagtanong si teacher ba't isa ka doon sa pasimpleng umiiwas sa tingin. Sa man Thank you guys. Next.